For those of you who are wanting a little more assistance, I'm going to go ahead and walk through most of the odd numbers with you. So right now when I read number 1, it says a chain of 7 7/75 meters long is 7 7/75 meters long. If 2 pieces that are each 2 113,000 meters are cut off, how long is the remaining chain? So again, I'm going to read that carefully, and this time as I read, I'm going to circle things and note things that are important. So it says a chain is 7 7/75 meters long. So this piece of information represents the total length. It says if 2 pieces that are each 2 113,000 are cut off, how much is remaining? So we're wanting to know how much is remaining. So that's like saying how much is left. So we could start our window pane by saying blank meters is left. And over here in this area, I'm going to draw a picture. So basically what I have is I have a chain. And the chain is 7 7/75 meters long. That represents the total length. And then I have 2 pieces that are cut off. So this would be the first piece, this would be the second piece. They're each the same length. So that's 2 113,000, 2 113,000. And what we want to do is we want to find out what is left. So I'm going to help you with the estimate, because the estimate is going to make sure that our exact answer is reasonable. So when I think about 7 7/75, I'm going to think about that being the total, and then I'm going to take these 2 pieces that are cut off and they're actually being removed. So I need to think about what is happening when things are being removed. That's right. So we're going to be subtracting that from the total. And then whatever is left, that will be what our answer is. So I have 7 7/75, which is about 8. And then 2 113,000 is about 2. And then the 2 113,000 is about 2. So that gives me 8 minus 2, which is 6, and 6 minus 2 is about 4. So my answer should be pretty close to 4. So basically what I'm doing is I'm thinking about 7 7/75 as my total. I'm subtracting 2 113,000 2 times to get my answer. For those of you who are ready to take this to the next level, like a 6th grade level, I want you to think about what you have here. You have 2 groups of identical information. So if we have equal pieces, what we could do is we could set this up as GMA, and we could say 7 7/75 minus parentheses 2 113,000 times 2 from that. That would be a quick and easy way to solve that. I'm going to let you find the answer on your own. Remember, your answer should be reasonable to the total 4.